We're based over at Burgess Hill in mid-Sussex. We recently took delivery of this wonderful Wellis Malaga Standard spa from the incredibly helpful team at Wellis Sussex down in Worthing. We were looking at getting a spa installed for really quite some time, and having looked around and research and being unable to visit any premises to view the products during the pandemic, a lot of online research went into it, and Wellis really stood out as being an obvious choice. Industry-leading guarantee, European manufacturer, and a local installer to supply and put the tub in. We couldn't be happier with it so far. It's everything that we were looking for. The price was very, very good. The installation was a piece of cake, and it was all delivered on time. And so far, it's been incredibly easy to maintain, to look after, and is an absolute joy to use. For the three of us here, it's absolutely perfect. The main things we love about it: easy to use, perfect size. You've got the speakers if you want some music, which work fantastic. The jets are brilliant, and at night all the lighting is absolutely amazing. Our 8-year-old son absolutely loves it. It's so far been everything we hoped for, and we are looking to enjoy it for an awful long time. I would heavily recommend it. I would heavily recommend a team as well. I've been more than happy to share online positive reviews because I don't think they could have been more helpful. I don't think they could have been any more professional. Yeah, we're over the moon with it.